channel. Today's video is we're going to a very special market. It's one of my favorite market in Cebu. But before that, here's the view, guys. I'm gonna show you the view. Here's my view, condo tour. Yes, o diba? Yun ang view ko. Dagat doon, pak. And here's the side. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hey. Hey. So that's it, guys. Diba? It's a very quick room tour. Hi, vlog. So, what can you say about Kim question?
Kung bisa ako, ma'am. Dili man ako, ma'am. Di ko yung naman, ma'am. Di pa kong tanagin nila na ko.
Yeah, this is my favorite mall, guys. Way back in elementary and high school. So when I used to class, I go there. I go there. What can I say? Gaisano Country Mall where? Oh, right there. Gaisano Country Mall. Yeah, so this mall, it's been there since 80s. Is it 80s?
No.
Or 90s? 90s? Oh. So now we're here in Consolasion. In English, Consolation. Yes.
Good morning.
Pag-G's ang parking, dili pwede ko 950.
Minimum ang release, ma'am.
Minimum. Oh, daang maximum.
Minimum
Minimum lang din siya. There's no maximum, just minimum. I like that. Yes, I'm here live. Saan siya nga lugar? Consolation. Consolation Prize. Amo na siya mo. Oh, I see. Thank you, madam. Oh, sa design mo na siya pak. Gapa ka siya na pala. Yung big
I'm
shirt.
the tour guide for us.
We have the same shirt. Manayo meron. Manayo dyan ni Ani.
2, 1. Ano madayo?
Si Louie. Nag-on pa si Louie. Inano yung kanang sign?
Yeah.
Hindi ko ba na?
Welcome, please.
Yes, I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh. Let's go. Hi. Ano, may hi lang siya. You just want to say hi. Yes, we're on our way to Consolation, guys. Public market. Yes, I can't wait. This is our traditional breakfast. So it's basically, that's the puto. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the puto. Oh, okay. So na siya duha ka color. So there's red and there's white.
Violet.
Yeah. Oh, is it violet? Oh. Di okay na siya te. Kanang sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice. Okay. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow, they're really nice. How fast she is. She's really fast.
40 ako guys.
So she can make 1,000 per minute. That's how fast she is.
Oh, mas na siya kaya na ng talent.
Yan ang talent.
Filter. Wala yun sir. Malagpot noon Tapos pasag magtabi ko lagi sir.
So good.
Oh, yeah. That's a real talent.
Ang sikote din.
Iya sa ning talent sa das dayo.
Thank you, thank you.
Kapalitan.
Ha?
Fish.
Lala dito. Mas common na siya dito. Oh my God. Oh, so mali siya guys. Ang market. Sunday fun day. Oh, mga fresh ang fish. Very fresh guys. Oh, I love it. Asa man? Kani siya dere? Dako to, ito.
Lap.
Oh my God. Fresh. Grabe to fresh. Right? So, hey guys, we're here in Consolasion Market and as you can see, lahat ng mga nakikita nyo, super fresh talaga siya. Ang fresh. Matagal na akong hindi nakakita ng ganyan ka-fresh. Kasi alam nyo naman, sa atin.
Walang fresh doon. Ako lang
Yes. At saka ang ano din ako, super pawis. Anyway, just ignore that. Let's focus more on the ano, sa mga seafood.
Anad naman sila kay bonus lawa tanawa ilig hikap nila dili na naon na mura nila ilang himas-himasun na.
Okay guys, so we're here at the vegetable area. So earlier we were at the fish area, seafoods, all that. So we'll see. We'll see kung ano pa yung makukuha namin. Okay? I'll see you guys. We got this.
Kusinta.
Kuchinta and then we're gonna get taho. Which is kani siya may kuan. So, kasama na siya ibutang nga brand.
Syrup.
Regular na siya.
Sugar.
Uy, ano siya kadag?
Yeah.
Wow. It's a lot. Thank you.
Yeah.
What can you say? Do you like this?
Yeah, little bit hot.
Yeah, me too. I actually really like it, guys. We're on our way to get food.
Ani? Ang kilo. Kani. Right? Naamoy katong saging ka green? Katong makaon pa, makaon na dyan.
Atong sabang.
Sa pa may lain.
Frita din.
Wala kay makuha.
Isa, di ko.
Yeah. Ano sila yung basurahan na rin? Na may trash?
No, yung sarahan di ko. Kaya. Namat.
Kani siya.
Kaya ma'am. Dah. Turan me, turan ka.
Hi.
Kana din sa nyo.
Yeah. Kani siyang santol kaya wala na siya dito. Kani sa man sa ni siya. Mango.
Kapayas.
Kaya sa ma'am kanang
Kagamay, ka-cute.
solo nga kapayas ma'am.
Ako lang, dwarf lang ni siya. Ano ni siya kagamay.
Kana solo may tawag ko na.
Kanite, ay kuya, pila ni.
20 ma'am.
Ang usa?
Yes, mahal ang control sir.
Ano may santol ko dro?
Wala nang control. Order ka lang.
Favorite Tisay. Oh my god, this is my favorite. No, kani siya Tisay. Piluhan kay ko ani.
Pila ka buwan.
Hi. Pila ni siya te.
5.
5 ang per round. Okay.
Pila ka buwan.
Sige, ikaw Tisay, go.
Isa lang.
Isa pa rin mo ha.
Isa.
Duha lang ako since this is my favorite. Ano sana siya te? Star margarine?
Puno sa vitamin. Pak.
Pack, ganon. Oh, init to kay siya. Kay freshness. Mga saging. Pero so ano siya? Ay, so pabukalan tama na siya, di ba? Kanang makaon na diretso?
Itong green.
Yeah.
Nay green din nga sayo na makauwi. Sabi? Naa, sa sulod.
Another, thank you.
Okay.
Ganun siya. Another saging.
Mukhang sana.
Yes, this one. Kana siya.
Turon.
Kani siya kay Paypay.
Paypay.
Mm.
Sikat
Yes.
yes. Dami sa nito turon.
Sige ko, pagkuha ka na lang, magpupukuan. Sa pila siya kuya? Tag 10? Okay, go. Another round for hot cake, guys.
Another hot cake. May labot si Kuya. Ito be.
Si Kuya.
Diet
Basta,
na siya.
bravo.
Ala, no sugar. Wala, no sugar. No sugar.
Hi guys! So we're finally home. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung mga nabili namin. I'm gonna show you guys what we got at the Consolasion supermarket. Yes. Kasi matagal din akong hindi nakauwi. It's been a while. It's been 2 years, guys. I haven't been home. So talagang niloka ako doon. Naloka ako sa market. Yung mga nakikita ko doon, ang gaganda, ang sasarap, fresh na fresh. So I got a lot of fruits. Pakita ko lang sa iyo, mga ano lang, sneak peek. So we got, ayan, mangosteen. Okay. Saging. Banana. I don't even know what type of banana is this. But, yeah, so we got this tiny miniature banana. And then we also got, ayan, rambutan. Okay. And banana Q. Actually, this is turon. It's not banana Q. Turon. And then also hot cake. And then a different type of banana. Hindi ko rin alam. I don't know what's the name of this type of banana. Oh, ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. It's beautiful. It's like a hand fan. Ang bigat. Santol. And we also got lanzones. This kind. Ayan. Okay. And then of course, marang. Ayan. Super bango. It smells really, really good, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Sana nagustuhan nyo. I know it's very crowded out there. It's you know, it's packed. Talagang bumper to bumper. But anyway, I had fun. I had a great time. I really enjoyed it. Seeing all those fresh organic fish, meat, vegetables. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!